Hey y'all, how are y'all doing? Y'all excuse my appearance, I was dancing around so I'm a little red in the face. I was getting ready to make myself some egg salad, and I know I had promised to show y'all how I made it, so I thought I would show y'all that now. Okay, so I boiled 3 eggs, and I used the yolk from one of the eggs and then 2 of just the egg whites. And of course these are the farm fresh eggs. The way I boil my eggs is I put them in a pot of water, and I let it start to come to a rapid boil. And once it comes to a rapid boil, I put the lid on and then cut the eye off and leave it sitting on the eye and set my timer for 20 minutes. After the 20 minutes, I take them off of the eye and I, of course, pour the hot water out. I put cold water in the eggs and some ice. And then I take my eggs and smash them and put them back in the water. And I peel the eggs in the cold water. And even though these were fresh eggs, you know, they say fresh eggs don't peel well, they still peeled fairly well. And there was one of them that had a little bit of trouble, but once I got it going, I was fine. But anyway, I've already chopped him up. I don't use mayonnaise because the mayonnaise has got like sugar and all them extra calories. So all the calories that you're going to have from this is just what's in the eggs, which is, I want to say 104, because one egg is 70 calories and 2 just egg whites is 34 calories. So that's 104 calories. Okay, the first thing I use, you can use any mustard you want, but I use just the French's mustard. See, there's no calories, there's no sugar or fat or anything like that in there. There's a little bit of sodium. Okay. And this one's about out. Just put some on there. You don't want to put too much mustard, because it is very strong. The salt I use is the Himalayan pink salt, and it's got less sodium than table salt. Let me see if I can find the table salt and I will show y'all. Okay, this is just regular iodized salt, and you can see how much sodium it has. It's 590, and this has 420, and it's pretty too. Kind of, sometimes it can give, especially if you're just doing egg whites, it'll give like your egg whites like a pink tinge. But I'm trying to do this around the camera. I was trying to zoom into where you could see it really well. Okay, so that's that. And I put pepper. I love pepper. I've heard that pepper is actually really good in aiding weight loss. I don't know if that's true, you know. Okay, then I put dill weed. Instead of using pickles, I just use dill weed. If you do not like pickles, then you probably will not like dill weed. But I love the tanginess. I don't necessarily like to bite into a pickle. Sometimes I do, but anyway, I did the dill weed. And then paprika. Every good Southerner puts paprika in their egg salad or deviled eggs on top of the deviled eggs. This is something different. Just to add a little bit more flavor, this is the chopped onion, and these are just the little onion flakes. You can use onion powder. I would not use onion salt. You can use garlic powder, but again, don't use garlic salt. If it's got the salt in it, it's going to add sodium. So I'm just going to do that. Okay, and then I'm just going to mash it all up and mix it together. And the good thing about the mustard, the yellow from the mustard, it gives it more of the egg salad color since you only have one egg yolk in there. So I just kind of start mixing it first, and then I'll go back and kind of mush it. Which I kind of like mine kind of chunky pieces because I don't put mine on bread. You can if you want to, but again, I'm watching my carbs, so I try not to do that. I know a few of y'all were asking me about the smoothies, how often I would do that. I don't know if I will actually do that again until maybe I hit my goal, because I noticed, because I had so many carbs from that fruit, I didn't see it as big of a weight loss on the scale. And I know it's just one day, and your weight can vary. You want to sit up here? Y'all might see Anna Claire's hands in here because she's up here with me. But I don't know. I'm scared if I start doing too much fruit because it is carbs. I'm kind of thinking, my thinking is kind of like Dr. Now, how he tells his patients to focus on protein and then maybe leafy vegetables, but to stay away from fruit and stuff. I do drink the fruit infused water, but I'm not eating the fruit, so I'm not getting the carbs from that. Somebody mentioned, whoa. Sorry guys, y'all are bouncing. She's bouncing it. Somebody mentioned using the sparkling water, and that is a great idea. I actually don't care for the carbonation. Like when I drink carbonated sodas and stuff like that, I kind of like to let them sit to where they're not fizzy. So I don't care for the fizz, but if that's something you like, definitely, my camera person's helping me here. Definitely try putting the sparkling water in there, and it will make it real pretty. It'll make it all, you know, sparkly and everything. Oh, and speaking of eggs, someone else had mentioned to me that I could just blow the yolks out. And I know I could do that, but the thing is I use, the egg out of the, so I could keep the eggshell whole. And I remember doing that whenever we made the little egg babies in school and stuff. But the reason I don't want to do that is because I do separate and only use one yolk. But I guess I could do that on the one egg that I just did the yolk on. I might try to do that. Because I got some really pretty ones this time. He gave me some real pretty green eggs. And they're kind of speckled with brown in them. But anyway, that's pretty much how I make the egg salad. So especially, I don't know what it is about summertime. I really like egg salad in the summertime. So that's just a good way to do it. And it's, like I said, it's only 104 calories for all this. Because all your spices and stuff, they don't really have any calories. They, of course, you know, the salt and stuff will have sodium. So if you're watching the sodium, you might want to not use so much. Just be mindful of that. And I'm losing a piece. But that is that. Okay, so that is that. And this is the first time I actually tried it with a chopped onion. So I'm going to see how I like it. I like it better with the chopped onions. It adds a little bit more flavor. Because that's what I was trying to figure out, how to add more flavor to it since you don't have the mayonnaise in there. And excuse my hair. It's a mess. I did take a shower and blow dry my hair, but I've been dancing around, and there goes Anna Claire with the camera again. Anyway, I really like it, and it's good. It's a great, something that you can take to work with you. But anyway, give it a try if you want to. And, well, I'll tell you what. Let me show y'all my eggs real quick. They're really pretty. Hold on just a second. Okay. Hopefully the lighting's okay where y'all can see. I'm trying to keep them away from Anna Claire at the same time and show y'all. She's up here on the counter. No, ma'am. But anyway, they're really pretty eggs. I like them. I wanted to add, because I was, excuse me, I was editing my video, and I noticed that I was talking about sparkling water, but I wasn't talking about what to put it in. And I realized if somebody is watching this and they didn't see my infused water video, they would have no clue what I was talking about. But the sparkling water, I was talking about doing the infused water. And what I like to put in mine so far, this is what I've tried because this is what I have on hand, is strawberries and lime. And I had read somewhere where it said you can actually, or I saw a video, maybe, I think it was a video, where it said you can actually leave the leaves on there on the tops of the strawberry to make it prettier. And I do, I think it's really pretty. And I had one strawberry that was like a small one, and so I just kind of put it in there and left it whole. But I don't know, I just think it's so pretty. And I think it being pretty, it helps make you want to drink more of them. I drank 6 of these yesterday, and 6 24 ounces I think ends up being like a gallon. So I basically ended up having a gallon of water. But it's just easier to drink your water. I want to get some mint and try strawberry and mint. I heard that's a good one too. And I would like to try one that's kind of like a mojito. You do oranges and limes and mint in it, and it makes it taste like a mojito. But there's all kinds. Just Google infused water recipes. And there's all kinds, and they also call it detox water. Some people call it detox water. I don't know if it really detoxes anything. But I just noticed I want to actually drink the water. I don't know, and it's so pretty. And I know somebody at work commented that that looked like Pinterest worthy. It was just so pretty that they really liked it. So anyway, the sparkling water was what I was talking about, was putting it into infused water if you want to make that. Because the little bubbles and stuff would be pretty. I'm just not a sparkling water person. But that is it for this video, and I will see y'all probably, I'm hoping tomorrow or Monday to make a video. It just depends on when I'm able to go get the crafting stuff. If I'm not able to do it this weekend, then I'll have to do it another weekend. But I will see y'all next video. Love y'all. Have a great weekend. Bye.